Good morning and thank you for joining me. In today's video, I am going to visit the 7 most amazing places on planet Earth. Please, remember to subscribe and drop a thumbs up on this video. Now come with me. From ice caves to blue volcano, Mount Ijen, Indonesia. The image of a volcano spewing blue lava instead of red might sound like total fiction. But it is true. Trail the tracks of Mount Ijen in Indonesia and treat your eyes to this absolutely amazing phenomenon. For several years, Paris-based photographer Olivier Grunewald has been documenting the Kawah Ijen volcano in Indonesia, where dazzling, electric blue fire can often be seen. Ice, Lake Baikal. Holding 20% of the Earth's fresh water, Lake Baikal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that also dazzles its visitors with turquoise ice. Located in Siberia, Lake Baikal is the largest freshwater lake on the planet that contains approximately 20% of the Earth's freshwater. Desert, Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. You don't need to die to go to heaven, you can experience heaven at Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. This salt desert will make you believe like you are standing on nature's mirror. A spot of reflection is always good for the soul. And judging by these pictures, there's plenty of room for that. This is the world's largest natural mirror, created when a thin film of water gathers on a vast plain of salt deposits. So magnificent is the dreamlike sight that the salt pans in the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia have been dubbed heaven on earth. 4. Spotted Lake, British Columbia, Canada. This phenomenon occurs as the saline and highly concentrated water of the Spotted Lake evaporates during the summer, leaving behind colorful mineral deposits. In winter and spring, the lake located northwest of Osoyoos in British Columbia's Okanagan Valley looks just like any other body of water. But as most of the water starts to evaporate in summer, hundreds of huge briny pools are left behind, leaving a polka-dotted landscape of yellow, green, and blue spots. The CBC calls the appropriately named Spotted Lake the most magical place in Canada. 5. Fairy Circles, Namibia. Commonly found in the grasslands of Namibia, these circles are formed thanks to their barrenness while surrounded by lush vegetation all around. The Namib Desert is covered with regular patterns of bare circles whose origin is fiercely debated by researchers, but it now seems both leading explanations may be right. One camp claims the empty patches, known as fairy circles, are created by termites under the soil that clear vegetation in the area around their nests. By making the soil porous, the argument goes, they establish permanent reservoirs of rainwater 50 centimeters below the surface, which sustains them and the surrounding ecosystem. An alternative idea is that the circles are explained by plants competing for water. Plants help their nearest neighbors by creating shade and maintaining water on the soil's surface, but hinder those further away by